Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Notes music not working. So guys, if you want to use Notes music option on Instagram and your Notes music not working, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. Simply you have to open your Instagram. Click on your main messenger app, click on notes option, and guys, here you will find the option of music. Simply when you have click on this music, and you can use any music from here on your notes. So if still not working or not working any music on your note, then you have to go back and simply you have to open your app store, search here Instagram. So guys, maybe there is update problem on your Instagram. Simply you have to open your Instagram and update your app if not updated. And guys, after getting update, your problem will be fixed. So if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and after this you have to click on Instagram. Click on offload app, and you need to offload your app and reinstall again and log in again, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. The third method is you have to open your Instagram app, click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, scroll it below and click on help, click on report a problem, click on report a problem, and after this click on include and continue. Here you need to write your problem that music notes option not working or not showing. If you have any kind of problem related music notes, simply you have to write here your problem and write your username of Instagram and Gmail as well for contact purpose, and upload a screenshot from here, and simply you have to click on send. And after submitting your problem, within few minutes they will review your problem and fix your problem. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.